My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We have Bodega Dunks. These look crazy. Oh, I got one. Oh, what the? Dude, I got them on my phone. Here we have the very beautiful shoe. Today we have Jordan 1 Vault Golds dropping. Yes, I got a GS size. Soleil.io is destroying. I did alright, nothing too crazy. I got a total of 16 checkouts. Out of these 16 checkouts, 10 were grade school sizes, 6 were men's, and the bad part is I got 10 of them canceled. A bunch of these came in the mail today. I do have to say these are a lot nicer in person than I thought they would be, something that I really wouldn't mind wearing, and also the details on the tongue are pretty interesting as well. The tag is transparent and backwards, Nike Airs in the back like that. It would have been sick if this was like upside down and then you could fold it like how they did for the Jordan 4s, Jordan 4 Unions. That would be pretty cool, but nah. But otherwise, not bad. There is a good amount of potential for these to go up in the future, especially the grade school sizes, because in my opinion, this wouldn't be too hard of a shoe to style and have like a really nice fit with these. So yeah, really enjoying these. My goodness, it feels like an entire month since the last sneaker release. There hasn't been any hype sneaker releases in a long time, but today we do have Notre Dunks dropping. This is quite an important release, and because of that, I have a feeling that bots really aren't going to be working all that well. But before we do get into it, I do want to announce that I am now officially partnered with Gamersupps. This is what I use to keep myself awake, energized, and focused throughout the day, and it's especially helpful during sneaker releases where you gotta wake up super duper early or just stay awake for a really long period of time depending on your time zones. It tastes really good. It doesn't have that chalky, powdery taste to it. Additionally, it has 0 calories, 0 sugar. It's keto friendly. It has organic caffeine to maximize energy and endurance. Definitely something I would recommend trying out. You can get 10% off your order using my discount code BOTTERBOYNOVA at gamersupps.gg. The drop is going to be in 2 hours. I'm very confident that I would at least be able to get 1, but can we get 2? That's what I'm going to be going for. Let's see how we do. What is happening? What the heck, bro? 30 seconds late. Either that or I'm missing something. Oh shh, it picked up. They actually dropped it on their own website. Why can't I buy it? Okay, here we go. What city? Oh my god. Oh, Chicago. Boat. Here we go again, dude. Come on. Oh no, this one is not checking out. Dude, am I stupid, bro? That's all the boats, okay. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Come on. Just go through it. Come on. Oh, processing. Come on, yo. Come on, yo. Get this dub. I did it. I did it. Let's go. Got one. So we ended off the day with a size 9.5 in these shoes. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know, I could be wrong, but these are Notre exclusives. So this one should be going for more money than the blue ones, which is pretty good. Today we have SB Dunk lows dropping, the Street Hawkers. We don't really have too many chances to get these. The only first come first serve release is Nike sneakers. Otherwise, I believe these are just raffled off. Therefore, chances of getting these are really low, and all I can really do is just hope and pray that I'm able to get a W with one of my entries. Alright, this is not looking too good. A lot of my Nike accounts got banned. All this account credentials incorrect. Those won't really count as entries, but it's alright. I ended up with 118 sleeping tasks. That means that's about how many entries I'm gonna get, hopefully. Alright, at least I got some entries in, but ultimately, this is what ended up happening. Alright, sneaker releases are starting to pick up again. Today we have some Yeezy 700s dropping. At first I wasn't planning to go for these because just look at these things. These are absolutely hideous. But surprisingly, the price on these is $240 retail. I thought these would be like 300 bucks like they usually have it. So that means that profit margins are actually expected to be pretty decent for these. Therefore, I do have to go for them. But to be honest, I don't have very high hopes for this because they're not dropping on foot sites, I suck on Shopify, and I am banned on Yeezy supply. My entire zip code is banned on Yeezy supply, and there is a way to bypass that. I'm not 100% sure if it works, but I'll give it a try. Let's see how many we end up with on the next episode.